Microsoft Teams is a collaboration tool which helps in segregation of information between different teams in an organization by creating teams and channels within those teams. You can also communicate and collaborate on a document in Microsoft Teams. Suppose you are discussing on an upcoming project in a channel in Microsoft Teams. Now, your manager wants to know strategy of each one of you to accomplish this project. He wants the strategy for this project in a form of presentation, that too in the same PowerPoint template. So for this, he uploaded that presentation template in a Teams channel. For jotting down your strategy in PowerPoint presentation template, you may want to download that document. So in this case, all the team members of team can easily download the presentation template and can work upon it accordingly. So let me show how you can do this. For this, open your Microsoft Teams. You can access the desktop version as well as the web application of Microsoft Teams. So here, I have opened the desktop application of Microsoft Teams. Once it will open, you will be able to see all the teams and channels of which you are a part of. Right now, I want to download a document which is there in this channel, Project Modules, which is there under this team, Foetron Development Team. So I have already opened this channel. Now, I'll access the files of this channel. To access files, I'll click on this option Files at the top of this channel. Once I clicked here I can see all the documents which are uploaded under this channel, Project Modules. Now I want to download this presentation, Cloud Team. For this, I'll click on More Options icon on this document. A list of options will appear. From this list of options, I'll click on this option Download to download this document on my device. So you can see this notification that one file was downloaded. So this is how you can download any document in your device which has been uploaded in a Teams channel. It's all about this feature. Hope you liked it. For more tips and tricks on Microsoft Teams, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Foetron Cloud Academy.